Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEX Tech with the unboxing of this first all-in-one that is not a PC part. This is the Gillette all-in-one beard and body trimmer. This is a 3-in-1 electric trimmer with all these accessories, waterproof device which is really handy and nice. It also comes with an included battery, that's also always well accepted. So what is included in here is one device, 3 accessories, 1 battery and 1 saving accessory. And here we have all the specification of this device in various languages. I hope that we'll find a manual inside for more information. So this apparently is the best a man can get, so you can get some really good value for money product here, and you can check their website for more products like this. So okay, let's open this box and check the product itself now. It seems that we'll need a pair of scissors here, so okay, let me just open it up really quickly here and cut the seals. So we've opened the box, and I must say that this is a really straightforward unpacking. Cardboard there to pull out like that, and nothing else is in the box. So let's check the product itself, and here it is. We have here this folded card or manual, I guess, in various languages. I guess we have all the specification here. Well, I cannot get anything out of this. I don't think that this is a manual. This is more of a legal concern, I guess, for using this device, and I think there's more legal stuff there. But anyway, that is what it is, and we don't have a manual here. So let's check the device itself. Here we have all the parts that can be attached to our main body of the device. Here we have a razor blade with the attachment. Now this reminds me the Fusion series of blades, but I might be wrong. So here you can see the blades. Now okay, that is one of the attachments for saving, and it seems to be bouncy here for prevent cuttings. And we have more attachments here for our device, and these are actually the attachments to control the length of the trimmer and trim at a specific hair length. And last we have the device itself, and I think this is empty here. Okay, there's supposed to be a battery here. So here we have the trimming edge, and there's a mechanism here. Okay, it's powering on, and this is for the attachments. And here in front we have the on-off switch here that turns on and off our device. And the extra parts, the attachments, can be locked into place here with this release mechanism. And I just have to say that this part here seems to be a little bit strange, and we can just open up here the device to reveal the battery compartment, and that is a little bit odd. It works out of the box, but usually you have a protective film here to remove it and make sure that the battery won't leak. I don't know how to feel about this. So here we place one AA battery, and we close this compartment, and it is ready to use. Now this is a little bit strange, this locking mechanism here, so let's try it. Now we can get our device, and we have this bare bone trimming selection, and here we can get into place and lock our attachment. Let's start with the saving one, and as you can see, this is a little bit tricky to get it into place. It has some angles here to attach, and here it's locked into place. And this is actually how you can use it as a blade for shaving, but I don't see any movement here. You can detach the blade here, but this attachment, it doesn't have any real point to access the moving part of this device. So turning on this device won't help you at anything for shaving. Now let's check the other attachments here. Now these are for adjusting the hair length. Now you see how difficult it is to lock it into place, and I've pressed a lot of times by fault the on-off switch here. I think that something feels off, but the attachment is really well fitted there, and it feels fine. The removal is much more easier, and we can install another one. My only gripe with these attachments is that they need a specific way to install, and the plastic is not of the best quality. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it, but once installed it feels really great. and like it is a solid part with the main body. And we can try the last one. Now that's easier. That solved the problem with the locking mechanism. Now the whole body has this rubberized material that is great for the grip, and my other grip is the on-off switch. You can see it, I pressed it again while I was trying to remove the attachment. Overall, I have mixed feelings about this product. It feels more like a travel accessory with a build quality that doesn't impress, but either way it is really handy for its asking price. So this was the Gillette all-in-one trimmer. Leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from ADEX Tech, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!